our channel!
And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better place.
I just wanted to start this vlog off by saying if you see me wear the same outfit the entire time until I give birth, I just want you guys to mind your own business and worry about yourself. Because it's all that fits. These leggings, this one pair of leggings is all that
Yeah,
fits.
you've been wearing that pair of leggings
So.
non-stop.
Yeah, just mind your business.
Mind your business.
Julia got bangs.
No, I didn't.
She looks so beautiful. Everyone comment down
I don't know
below.
what you're talking about. I've had this haircut the whole time.
No.
Everyone knows that. I told her she has to compliment me every 5 minutes.
Yeah,
so.
I've been trying to. I said, you look so pretty. She said, keep the compliments coming. Got a new bed frame that got delivered. Julia made me help her carry it in. And we got a new shower head because I've been begging Julia for us to get a new shower head so that when I'm in labor, I can use the detachable shower head like on my back and stuff.
We haven't talked to you guys in a long time.
Yeah, I feel like we haven't vlogged. Our last video that you guys will have seen was the baby mama dance. That's super fun. We post it tomorrow and we've been like, oh, let's just post it now because we're so excited.
We're really excited about it. We've been wanting to do the baby mama dance since before you were even pregnant.
Yeah, well, when I got pregnant, coronavirus was like happening,
Yeah.
and we thought of like announcing our pregnancy to our family by doing a drive-by baby mama dance. I'm still disappointed we didn't do
I know,
it.
because it's just such a fun thing to do.
Yeah.
It's just the baby mama dance is so fun. So I'm actually kind of sad that it's over. Like, we already did it
know.
now, and it's like, we'll keep doing it probably.
Yeah.
We think that he is coming early. We actually think he's gonna come December 22nd. I don't know why. We have to stop saying it because we're gonna end up manifesting it. It's too early, it's not full term yet, and so we would have to go to the hospital. So all of our plans would go out the window. So we
Oh,
hope
I
it
need to
doesn't
finish
happen.
packing my hospital bag today too.
Right, so that's one big thing that we have
Also,
to make sure
I
that
see
we're
my
doing today.
midwife today in a couple hours.
I'm sure you guys are very interested in our to-do list for today.
Anyway,
so
do
now
you want to
know
show
what
them
it
my
all
stomach?
is.
It looks huge today.
Yeah, you look very big.
Yeah.
You're very pregnant.
I put this like stretch mark cream on and now my skin's like falling off. It's really
Your
gross.
skin's falling off.
Yeah, it's like dry skin.
Is that supposed to happen?
I don't know. I also wanted to show you guys the bathroom because I talked about how I wanted to redo the upstairs bathroom. It's not fully done, but I ordered some stuff and put it together. And you guys all said that fruit would be so cute, so we did. I don't know if these are peaches, oranges, I don't know. These are obviously lemons or something. We got a little bath mat and a little soap thing. We just need to put like a picture here or something. I don't really know. This little cute towel. So cute. I think it looks better when like someone comes upstairs and it doesn't just look like a hotel bathroom. So that's been checked off our list. We've done a lot. We also had a snowstorm, so everything is very snowy. I don't know if you can tell, but there's lots of snow on the ground.
Time to unbox this. And now we just have all this trash. You guys will see the bed frame once it's all like set up. Obviously, once we get our new mattress, which I don't actually know when it's supposed to get here, so it might be a while, but watch out for that. So I think it'll look good, but the bed frame looks pretty much the same as the one now. It's like that kind of gold brass color. I don't really know how to describe it. I hate how there's always so much trash when you order things online. I try and stick it all in the recycling. Our recycling bin is completely full from all the other things that we've had to order online because we can't leave the house.
Hard times.
What'd you say?
It's a hard time.
Hard times, COVID times. Here are our salads that we just DoorDashed. What'd you get?
I just got an avocado, like green salad.
The avocado green salad, pretty good. I think it's a little bland. I got the turkey cranberry sunflower salad. Delicioso.
Woo! Next thing on our agenda is to make sure that everything in our hospital bag is ready to go. If you're confused, we have to have a hospital bag just in case I go into labor before 37 weeks.
Yeah.
Before 37 weeks, and also if something were to happen at the home birth, we want to have something ready to like go.
Right, if for some reason she needs an emergency C-section or just there's, you know, there's lots of reasons where we might end up having to go
We
to the
are
hospital.
still planning to do a home birth and birthing at home, but we wanted to have it put together. Also, like while the midwife's here, she has to have some stuff that she has us get, and so it would be nice if it's just all in one place too.
Yeah, like even just stuff for the home birth. So this is just like the birth bag basically, but we can take it wherever we go because it's in a suitcase form.
I got this in the mail today. This is
What is it?
the sheet.
Oh,
Plastic
yeah.
sheet.
That's for the home birth. You will not
Yeah.
need that if you're going to the hospital, but we're putting it in here anyway.
That's if I give birth in bed and it gets
Yeah.
messy. Then I also bought a huge postpartum kit. I didn't want to like buy everything separate, so
Yeah.
I bought the Freedom Mom postpartum kit.
I have clothes for me just in case we do go to the hospital. I'm gonna need an extra pair of clothes probably.
Right. We also went and picked up a preemie outfit just in case.
I almost wish that we didn't do that, because then it's like we're manifesting that he is gonna be born early, and we keep talking about how he's gonna be born early. Oh, by the way, we saw a psychic.
That was a bad idea. She messed us up.
It was a terrible idea. We regret it greatly.
We're not going to talk about it because we're just going to say she was a kook and she doesn't know what she's talking about. We also have his name reveal sign packed. So cute. Can you believe that? That's your brother.
That's right.
Is that his name? Is that his name? Also decided to pack some clothes and socks for him.
We have like hair stuff. That's also in case Abby suddenly has like a really fast labor.
Is that what that's for?
If you suddenly have a really fast labor and I need to deliver the baby.
Oh, that's what that's
This
for?
is to suction any fluid out of his mouth.
Oh. I also have a belly band in here. I don't know how helpful that will be.
I
But
just hear
bought
people
one.
talking about it.
I just bought stuff that I hear people talk about, yeah.
Besides that, there's obviously like the car seat, which we cannot pack in a suitcase, so we just had to grab that in the
Obviously.
moment. It's hard because with COVID, if we did have to go to the hospital, like if he was born early or something, then I don't think we can like leave and come back, you know?
Right.
Normally if I'm like, oh, I forgot this at home, I can go home and get it and then come back, but I don't think we can do that. So that's why we're being a little bit over-prepared. If there's anything you guys think that we're missing, let us know in the comments. I mean, obviously keep in mind, we're probably not going to actually be going to the hospital, but it's good to have like any of
just
stuff
in case.
here. So if there's anything you guys can think of that helped you if you're a mom or a parent, up you go.
It's crazy to like be ready for him. Like everything is ready to go. We also got our little baby monitor thing and the sock and everything's ready. We just need to set it up. When are we gonna set up the baby monitor?
Oh, I wanted to do that soon so that we know how it works, and then this is to like track like his oxygen levels and like heart rate and stuff, so it like helps prevent like SIDS and him dying. So.
Also, everybody leave your guess when you think baby H is gonna get here. If you have a suspicion.
Yeah, but don't say Christmas.
don't say Christmas because you guys keep saying, oh my gosh, that'd be so fun. No.
I don't want to be
No.
Christmas, because who wants a Christmas birthday? I feel
Yeah,
like
that would be
everyone that I knew
sad.
that had a Christmas birthday, or even like things around Christmas,
Yeah.
it's not very fun because then you get all your presents within the same week.
He deserves to have his own birthday, so.
Yeah, so that's why we hope that he's born like on time, because then it'll be like a month away from
Yeah.
Christmas. Next on the agenda is Abby's shower head. I am really nervous about this because I've never put together a shower head before. I am going to guess at it.
Also,
and
can I say that my wife has like completely redone floors in places that she's renovated. She has done all this crazy stuff in houses. But when I said, can you replace the shower head? She's like, what? I don't know how to do that.
I mean, I'm sure I can figure it out. It doesn't seem like it's that hard, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna figure it out, and let's hope that I don't ruin this shower head. Let's find out. Everyone, place your bets down below in the comment section. Do you think I will ruin it or not? What do you think? All of you that voted that I would not be able to do that were correct. Congratulations. I gave a bunch of my tools to somebody, and apparently I left all of my wrenches in there. I didn't think that I did. I thought I had wrenches. I did not. Well, I did have wrenches, but now they are no longer on my person, so. And I needed a wrench. Well, what other wifely duty can I do for you since I can't put your
guess-
shower head together?
I guess we can take the boxes to the garage.
All right, time to take out the trash. Come on, Frank, you gotta go out. You gotta.
Aw, Frankie, you're not trash, Frank.
Frankie, I gotta put you in the trash can. You ready to go in the trash can, Frank? Are you ready?
Look at it.
Are you gonna go put him in the trash?
No.
Why did Frank's ears perk up when I said trash? He was like, yes, trash?
Oh, you grumpy?
Oh, Frank, I got you a treat actually, because his breath smells so bad.
Why is he so grumpy? Treat? Mommy got you
Oh, I think that's a yes.
Ooh.
I know we mentioned a lot how bad Frank's breath smells, and a couple people have commented that maybe he needs to like go to the vet or like the dog dentist.
And he does.
Oh yeah.
Our dogs have pet insurance, guys, and they see the vet, what, twice a year?
They
for
see
checkups?
just a regular checkup at least twice a year, and then he goes once a year for a in-depth teeth cleaning. They literally knock him out so they can get really good in there.
smells gross.
Oh yeah, it's awful, but it's supposed to make his breath smell.
You want it?
Dean already got one.
Your face. No, Dean. Yeah, here you go. For your breath.
There you go.
Yeah, he refuses to eat these like pibbly ones.
Yeah.
Dean likes them. Maybe I'll give her one of these. Want one of these?
Here you go, Dean.
Oh. Oh, sorry. Hey, Dean, don't be mean.
Frank has a very refined taste in food. We have to get him like.
Okay, but to be fair, when he was a puppy, he had to be put on medication so that he would stop eating his own poop.
Well, it's refined, but not in a good way. Is that a word? I don't know. But yeah, he won't eat some treats. There are a lot of treats that he will not eat. I try and get him to eat them, and he won't. But he will eat the breath treats, so that's good.
And poop.
And poop. Breath treats and poop. Do you guys want to see Abby's cervix?
What? Oh. I was like, what? Whoa!
Come on, take your pants down. When we went to that last ultrasound, which was like, what, 2 videos ago? The ultrasound technician was showing us how low Abby was. I know we talked about it in that video, but she gave us some pictures of it. First of all, I don't know why she gave us so much. Look at how many pictures she gave us. It's all the same picture. It's really hard to tell what's going on. This is baby H's head. See that curve right there? This is Abby's cervix. And this is her bladder. So you can see he's literally pushing up right against her bladder and her cervix. So you feel a lot of weight down there and you pee constantly.
We're getting really close with each other today.
Yeah, so I mean, that's why we're being so crazy today and getting everything so ready, because we're like...
Also, I was reading that the pressure of his head is what causes contractions, which causes the cervix to open, which causes you to have the baby. So like...
And that's not
Excuse
supposed
me?
to happen for like 2 weeks, so...
I don't know, maybe he's
At
just
least.
ready. He's just ready to meet his mommy. He just says, I just want to go meet my mommy.
He's not gotta wait just a little bit
I
longer.
know. January 2nd.
January 2nd. After January 2nd, she's 37
Everyone
weeks.
manifest it.
Yes.
He can come January 2nd. That's fine. He can come that day.
Yeah. Between January 2nd and February 2nd. Has to be.
Yeah.
Abby's slippers just arrived in the mail, so we gotta throw that into the birth bag.
You didn't even like show them to me, really. You were like,
Well, do you really care how fashionable you are in the hospital?
not really.
If you're at home, you use your home slippers, but I just didn't want you to have like your home slippers in the hospital just in case.
So thoughtful.
Yeah, well.
You're so sweet.
So our midwife is actually on her way over here in like half an hour, and so we're gonna talk to her about all that stuff that we were just telling you guys about. We're gonna show her these pictures of Abby's cervix, so then everyone will have seen her cervix and her bladder, and then we'll see what she says, you know, because if she says that, oh no, that means he's gonna come soon and we gotta change our
Or
plans.
maybe
then
she'll be like, you guys are literally crazy and you need to
That's
calm down.
probably what will happen.
Because we're like, I'm going into labor tomorrow.
Literally, that's what we've been thinking this whole time. We've been like, oh my gosh, you're gonna go into labor right now. We gotta get ready.
Yeah.
So we don't want to keep you guys waiting till the next video. So we're actually probably going to wait until we have our what do you call it? Appointment with
Yeah,
her.
so that we can tell you
So
what
we
she
can tell you
says.
guys everything that she says. We're gonna cue several hours later, and then we will let you know what the midwife says.
It's the next day, but our midwife had something come up last night, and so she came over this morning, and all is well. Baby boy is healthy.
Yeah, we panic a lot.
We do.
We overthink everything. We think
We're like,
everything's-
he's coming tomorrow.
But she said everything's great. She said it's a good thing that he's like so low and in
Yes.
her cervix, because it's gonna make her labor
Doesn't mean
easier.
he's coming soon.
So guys, if we seem really intense, just know that we're crazy.
What a relief.
What a relief.
I told her that, okay, my next guest then is January 22nd. Today's notification shout out goes to Melissa Shop. We love you! Thank you so much for having your notifications turned on.
If the rest of you would also like a post notification shout out, all you gotta do is turn on your post notifications, then leave a comment letting us know you did it, and you might be in our next video.
You never know. Thanks so much for watching.
See you later, alligators.